Hi, this is Joachim for statisticalprogramming.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to replace NA values with 0 in R. In the video I'm going to show you two examples. In one example I will show you how to replace NA values in a vector, and in another example I will show you how to replace NA values in a data frame. So first of all, let's start with the first example. And for the example, I'm going to use this vector here. So you can create the vector by running this line of code. You can also have a look at the vector. So as you can see, the vector consists of 7 values, and 3 of these values are not available, are NA. Now, if we want to replace these NA values by 0, we can use the is.na function. And we can replace the NA values by writing the name of our vector, so in this case x, open a square bracket, write is.na in order to call the is.na function, open a round bracket, insert the name of our vector x, close the two brackets, and then afterwards assign to this subset the value 0. So let's do this, and now we can have again a look at the vector. And as you can see, the 3 NA values that we have observed before are now replaced with the value 0. Now let's move on to the second example, how to replace NA values in a data frame with 0. For this example, I'm going to use the airquality dataset, and the dataset can be loaded with this line of code. So as you can see, after running the code, the air quality data set appears at the top right. We can also have a look at the data set. So as you can see, there are several NA values in the data set. Here, for instance, or here. Mainly the NA values are into the first column, but also in the second column you can see several NA values. So if we want to replace the NA values of this data frame with 0, we can apply the is.na function again. And we basically have to write the same code as before. So first we have to write the name of our data frame, call the is.na function, and assign to this subset of data the value 0. So let's run this code. And now we can have a look at the data again. And as you can see, the positions where we had NA values before are now replaced with 0. So that's basically how to replace NA values with 0 in R. But there are also a lot of different alternatives how to do this. So if you need more examples, you could also have a look at my homepage, statistical-programming.com. Because on the homepage I have recently published a post in which I'm giving you 10 different examples how to replace NA values with 0. I will put a link to the post into the description of this video in case you want to have a look. And if you have liked the video, of course I would be very happy if you give me thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more basic R tutorials. And then see you next time.